Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Brookstone Acoustic Pro wireless metered headphones. You can pick this up on eBay. Yeah, I've seen them go for about $50 to $100 to $150. I actually got this as a gift, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see what's inside here. So now let's go ahead and see what it says here in the back. All right, we have backlit visible U meter. We have noise isolating, Bluetooth 5.3, quick charge, 35-hour playtime, and on-ear controls. All right, so here it is, Brookstone. Actually, I got this as a gift for playing at a casino. So they gave it to me because I got a lot of player points. So they gave me this free gift. And I think this thing retails for like $150, or I might be wrong. I really haven't looked too much into it. But anyways, here are the headphones. Now let's go ahead and see how to open this thing here. Okay, so I do need to, I think I need to cut this with something here because this isn't, it's taped in there. So I didn't bring a knife. I wasn't sure exactly if I was going to need it or something, but looks like I will be needing that. All right, let's go ahead and I got this part over here almost. Well, it's a lot easier if I just brought a knife. So unprepared is probably not the best thing to do. So let me go ahead and grab a knife and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Well, I didn't grab a knife, but I did grab some scissors. So the scissors shall do, I believe. All right, so get that part out. And then we don't even need to take the bottom out. Here are the headphones. Take a look at those. And it's basically, let's see what else is in here. And it comes with Type-C charging and a little manual here. So I put that to the side. And I really want to try these things on and see how they look. So give me 1 second. I'll do that right now. All right, first I got to figure out how to turn this thing on. So I believe I got to turn them on here. There we go. All right, so they're on. And then I believe I have to get a phone to be able to hook it up. So anyways, right here I believe is where you would plug in the charging port. So you would charge it through there. And I believe here, not sure. So like I said, I have to play around with these things and see exactly how it works. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got my Google Pixel 7 Pro right here. And let's go ahead and try to connect this bad boy here. So I was going to go ahead to connection and devices. Pair devices here. No nearby devices. Let's go ahead. So which one would it be from these? This looks like it's going to be the Brookstone. So this looks like this is going to be the one. So let's go ahead and click that. And let's go ahead and pair. And yep, there it goes, and it paired. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my ear, guys, and I'll let you know what the sound's like. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn something on over here. And let's play a song. And let's see how that works. All right, let's just go ahead and play a song here. Yeah, I got it. Wow, really, really good, guys. So the sound is really, really good. Yeah, it's really, really good, actually. I don't know, you guys aren't going to be able to hear it, but it's really, really clear. Wow. And it's very easy to set up, so I think you guys are going to like this. Yeah, it's very, very good. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it works perfect, man. Really nice. The bass is really good. No muffle. And it's noise reduction, so I really can't hear anything outside of what I have in my ear. So this is really, really good, guys. All right. Yeah, that's good stuff. All right, so I definitely would say, yeah, guys, if you guys can find one of these, like on go ahead and flip this over. Like if you guys could find one of these, let me take it off, like on, you know, eBay, or I'm not even sure how much they go for, to be honest with you. I can look it up right now, honestly, because I really don't know much about these things. Like I said, I just got it as a gift. And to be honest with you, I was gonna probably sell them, but I think I like them. So let's go ahead and see here if how much they go for, if I can find these things. But we'll try Amazon. Brookstone Wireless. Let's see if we have anything like that over here. They definitely don't have. I can't see them on Amazon, but I think that they are on eBay. So let's go ahead and take a look on eBay here and see if they're there. So let's go to eBay, guys, and let's look at these Brookstone Wireless headphones. And let's see. So I see some people selling them. Oh, this guy's selling them for $15.99. That's not bad. So like I said, man, if you can get this for $15.99, I would definitely jump on it. So this guy here for $30, brand new. Yeah. So, but I can tell you that when these first came out, these were really, really good. Brookstone Wireless headphones, Bluetooth. All right, so very, very nice, guys. Now, these have the meter. Some of the other ones don't. So, like I said, man, I would definitely, shop around and if you get a pair like this for like $20, man, go for it. So, anyways, guys, these are the headphones. I like them a lot. So, hopefully, you guys like this video. If you do, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.